Three common problems in check valves. Check valves come in a wide variety of sizes, materials, and connections, and can be used in countless applications. Oftentimes, the problems with a check valve are not related to the valve itself, but the application. When you are looking to replace a check valve, keep these three common problems in mind: water hammer, reverse flow, oversizing.
Did you know that, unlike other types of valves, check valves continue to work if a plant loses electricity, air, manpower, or all of the above? They come in a wide variety of sizes, materials, and end connections and can be used in countless applications.
Water hammer is a pressure surge caused when a liquid or gas is forced to change direction suddenly, often caused when a valve is quickly closed. This can result in both noise and vibration, leading to damage and additional maintenance costs. It can be prevented by using a faster closing check valve that stops the pressure surges. Reverse flow can be costly, especially when it occurs at the discharge of a pump, causing the pump to spin backwards. A fast closing and tight shut-off valve is necessary to prevent this problem, and the right spring-assisted inline check valve will do just that.
Oversizing.
If there is a valve shutter opening and closing of the valve repeatedly, chances are it's due to oversizing. It's important to note that check valves should be sized for the application and not for the line size.